Reagan, are those your new shoes? Yay! They're so pretty. How about this one? You want to open this present?
Who's that from?
That's to Reagan from your mommy and daddy. Whoa!
Here you go, look. Ready? You gotta open it, honey. Oh. There you go.
Wow.
What is that? A new shirt?
That's so pretty.
Do you like that?
Yay!
You like it?
You want us to rewrap it?
Alrighty then. You want that big one back there? Thank you, honey. Should get it going. I'm just gonna throw them over there. That's for Reagan's gonna
Reagan.
do all day. Thank you. What does Daddy have? That's from Aunt Grace, Uncle O, and all your cousins.
Yay! Do you want Daddy to help you open it? Ready? Whoop. Wow, look at that! Yay!
Yay! Oh, thank you. Big hug.
Look at this pretty outfit, Reagan.
Give your bear a hug.
That's nice, huh?
Very good.
You're gonna look like a superstar.
She's more interested in the wrapping. Reagan. Reagan, come here. There's more, babe. I don't think we needed to wrap anything this year. Thank you very much.
Reagan. Purple shoes! They're all shoes. Shoes are sneakers, sneakers are shoes.
Ooh, look at these. Do you like those? Thank you. Can Mommy have it? Thank you. Reagan, no, babe.
Reagan. Honey bun. To Reagan from Mommy and Daddy. You want Mommy to help you open that one?
Thank you. Come here, Reagan.
Oh. Reagan, what does Mommy have for you?
Come here, buddy.
Wow, what a pretty sweater.
And a skirt. And green pants.
You are so lucky. Reagan.
Reagan, please stay away from me. Thank you.
Do you want to open stuff from Santa? Reagan, look what Santa brought. Santa Claus, yay!
God bless you, God bless you.
Santa has a great taste. Look at those. There's 1, 2,
What's that noise? Daddy's coffee?
and 3. Yay! Say thank you, Santa Claus. Thank you, Mr. Santa. I love you. Do you want the wrapping paper? You like his wrapping paper? I think Santa has good taste in wrapping paper too. Reagan. Reagan.
Thank you. I'm gonna get a pen.
Okay. You like those red shoes? Here's another one for Mommy and Daddy. Who you giving those to? There's no one sitting over there. Those ones for you. Is this a snowman? Snowman, good girl.
She likes me. She likes snowmen.
Yeah. Come here, come here. Mwah, I love you so much.
Alright, Reagan, you gonna open that?
Reagan.
She rips everything, and then it's like time to rip stuff. And she
Yeah. Reagan, honey bun. Reagan.
Reagan, can you give that to Mommy? Can you give it to Mommy? Hey, Reagan. Can you give it to Mommy, please? Can you get it? There's something on it. Come here, babe.
Reagan, come here. Can Daddy help you open your present? From Mommy and Daddy.
What could it be? More clothes.
Look at that. Wow. And what does this one say? Yes, I've always been this happy. How true. Can you give that to Mommy? Can you give the paper to Mommy?
Put it in here, baby girl. Reagan.
She likes
Whoa!
Whoa! She likes those red shoes.
There you go.
Reagan, Santa brought you something else. Yay! Do you want to take it to Mommy? Give it to Mommy. Reagan, give that to Mommy. Okay, we'll open that one later, huh?
Here's one. Reagan, this is for Mommy and Daddy. I know what it is. Pajamas!
Yay! You needed new pajamas.
Rise and shine. Ooh, do you like the frog? Just like Grandma Rose pajamas.
Mm-hmm.
Reagan.
Reagan!
Reagan, please stop that. Thank you. Reagan.
Oh, Reggie Roo, you're something else. Reagan,
No, babe.
look what Daddy has. This is to Reagan from Mommy and Daddy. Wow! All these different color bodysuits. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Mommy, it's you.
Reagan, here's one from Santa Claus. Rip it. Ready? Look. Woohoo! Pull it. Put some muscle behind it.
Pretend it's an ornament on the tree, Reagan.
Ooh, more pajamas.
Oh, Santa's so good that he knows.
Thank you, Santa.
No, Reagan, don't. No, honey. Honey, you can't play with that.
That's probably all out of whack. Just turn it off.
Reagan, honey bun. Seriously.